Anyway, that is it for this video. What was it about? Hey everyone, it's design time. Today I am going to show you what I did yesterday. Yes, it was that exciting. Not really. Now, shopping a home is not a new phrase when it comes to staging. That's something you do with occupied homes when you go around and look at the owner's stuff and utilize it in the home, but somewhere else, somewhere better. Or you just completely, can it. Well, today we're going to talk about a vacant staged home that I shopped. Okay, let me explain that better. We furnished or staged a vacant home with all of our stuff, furniture, art, accessories, lighting, all of it. Well, yesterday I shopped it. That's right, I shopped my own inventory, and here's why. Last week I saw a post on Instagram, and on my Design Time Insta I follow a lot of interior designers. Well, this particular post caught my eye, and it was because something about it looked familiar. I'll show it to you. It's that painting above the bed. I knew that it was one that I had, but I didn't know which home I staged it with. So I went online and looked at the pictures on, I don't know, realtor.com or Zillow of all the homes that I staged, and I found the painting. Now, sometimes I will stage homes with items that are in my own house. I've staged with this painting before, but I also like to put stuff that I've purchased to stage other houses in my house. So this painting I wanted because I'm doing some minor redecorating in my home, and this one I wanted in my bedroom, just like the picture that I saw on Instagram. The house that this painting was in still hadn't sold, and we will go over that toward the end of this video because I think I know why. Anyway, the time was up, the initial time of renting all the furniture for that house, and at this point no one was paying for the rental. The realtor had asked me a couple of weeks ago if she could keep the furniture in there but not pay for it. And to me, her reason for asking was good enough for me to say yes. Anyway, what this meant was I could take whatever out of that house I wanted, and I wanted that painting. Of course, I wasn't just going to take stuff out and not replace it. Anyway, I'm going to take you guys with me right now into the house just to check it out, because why not? And then we can see what I do with what I take out. It wasn't just the painting. There was some other stuff I wanted. All right, we're welcome. All right. I need to take off my shoes. I don't think so. Okay, entry. Here's the orifice. And that desk, I did not put there. They left it here. Anyway, I jazzed it up with some blue. I do love this chair. I don't want it. All right, let's turn the light on. So here we have the dining room, and what I want to take out of here is this picture, because I want to hang it above, well, not above my bed, but in my bedroom somewhere. What's that? Those are eggs. I would like to have these chairs, but there's only 4. Shush. Up the dark hallway. Who moved that pillow? They didn't do this right. I took the rug. I stole it. All right, there's what I left them with. So as you saw, I not only took the painting, but I really wanted that horse head. I had been looking for something like that for me for a very long time. when I found it, this house was perfect for it to go into. I also grabbed a silver globe-shaped trinket and a wooden one as well. I ended up actually not putting the painting above my bed, but to the right of my bed, where there is a big blank wall and a long white console table. I put lanterns with candles on either side, those two round accessories, and my horse head with the painting above. Okay, so let's get to why perhaps this house has not sold. When I went into the home again after about 2 months, I realized that there were a few things that might contribute to the fact that it is not selling. This house, not only was it $1.3 million, I think, which houses in that price range and over tend to take longer to sell. This house was, I want to say, over a decade old, and the finishes inside showed that. While the woodwork in this home was okay, you couldn't get past certain things that just brought it down. First of all, the light fixtures. They were very Tuscan and dark and yellow and just aged the place. And I'm certain that these fixtures were put into the house when it was built. That was a long time ago. Same goes for the granite in the kitchen. Oh, the granite. Now, we all know that granite isn't as in as it used to be. People are putting quartz and marble and all kinds of other stuff in their kitchens for their countertops. The granite that was in this house was obviously from a decade ago and was still there. There was no updating at all. And the fact that there was so much was overpowering. There was really no getting around it. Now, this is not that the granite itself is a bad product. It's just the design of it was pretty old school, as was the carpet that led up the stairs and covered the entire second floor. It was that taupey tan imprinted carpet. That also was popular with those Tuscan houses. Let's see if there's anything else. I was not crazy for the drapes in the dining room. They not only pooled at the bottom, whatever's happening here, there was so much fabric it just leaked all over, and they were that yellow mustard Tuscan color. That too could have been updated. Anyway, the day will come when a buyer walks in and can look past all of these things that I feel might be a deterrent. Aside from all that, I got my painting. All right, well, that's it on this video on, shopping a vacant home for my own stuff. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I'll see you next time on Design Time. Bye.